Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Barclift here. We are going to work on the letter M today. Alright, I want us to look at our alphabet, and this is just one that I just wrote myself. You can print it off the internet, or your parents can write it, or maybe you can write your letters. We're going to go over our letters of the alphabet, and when we get to letter M, to our to letter M, we're going to stop, and we're going to mark it. Alright? Now remember, M makes the sound alright? And the way we print M, up, down for uppercase, down, up and over for lowercase. Alright, so we're going to start at A. That's the first letter in our alphabet, and we're going to go until we find M. Are we ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Boys and girls, do you see the letter M in the alphabet? Right in the middle of the alphabet, we have uppercase and lowercase M. M says All right, boys and girls, I want us to talk about, we talked about partner letters, how every letter in the alphabet has an uppercase and a lowercase letter that goes together. They're partner letters. So we're going to talk about when you use an uppercase letter and when you use a lowercase letter. All right. Earlier in another lesson, we wrote the word moon. This is the word moon. Listen to the first sound in moon. That's an M. And if you'll look at the beginning of the word moon, it has the letter M. And it's lowercase because moon is just a normal word. But let's look at the next one. This word has an uppercase M. We're going to underline the first letter, and it's an uppercase M. Let's see what that word is. That word is Macy. Macy is a name. Names begin with uppercase letters. You are important, so your name begins with an uppercase letter. Important people and places all begin with uppercase letters. But notice the rest of our letters are lowercase. But our very first, most important letter is uppercase. All right? Let's look at this word. This word is Micah. Micah is a name that begins with So we said that all names begin with uppercase letters, and all important people and places begin with uppercase letters. And then all of the other letters are lowercase. All right, let's do one more. This is map. Map. You might use a map to find directions to go to someone's house. But the first sound, the initial sound in map is that is an M. Now, is a map someone's name? No. Is map the name of a place? Not that I know of. So it would not begin with an uppercase M. It begins with a lowercase M. All right, I've got one more thing to do with you guys. We're going to use, since we're talking about uppercase letters, we're going to use some sticks to make the letter M. And I just went in my pantry and got out some pretzels. Don't need a broken one. All right, so if we count the strokes in M, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes in uppercase M. And remember, important words begin with uppercase letters. All right, so I have 4 straight lines. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strokes, 4 straight sticks to make the letter M. But I notice that my letters are not exactly straight. Do you remember what those are called? Slanted sticks. These are slanted sticks that we put together to make the letter M. And this is something you could do at home as well. So boys and girls, the first sound in Micah is and it's uppercase. Map is and it's lowercase. And I want you, if you get to do some pretzels, I want you to eat your pretzels, and when you're eating them, think about rubbing your tummy and making the M sound. Pretzels are good. All right, have fun with letter M.